He makes you narrow down things that are vast. Things that are narrow, he makes it vast. I explain. Islam is vast. Don't keep Islam in the four corners of the masjid. Islam belongs to the Ministry of Interior. Not just the masjid, the Ministry of Interior, the Ministry of Exterior, the Financial Ministry, the Education Ministry, the Cultural Ministry. Islam belongs everywhere, in every ministry. It's vast. Because Allah said, this day I have perfected for you your religion. Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum. So Islam is vast, it's perfect. It should be in all spheres of life, all walks of life. But the shaitan wants you to marginalize Islam, so he says to you, keep it in the four corners of the masjid. A thing like psychology, which is narrow, he makes it vast. So anything you study, you have to study psychology. Psychology.